A few days ago, I saw this article of this in Australia. A group of children are suing a mining company. I was like, what the fuck is this? So then I checked the video. There was this small little kids, some teenage children. They are suing a company for, I don't know, some fucking environment or some shit. And then the idiots who are with those children, oh, this is the first ever thing in the world, or this is our new generation taking over, taking charge of the planet, blah blah blah. And then you get the microphone, given to this small little girl. Oh, it's our planet, it's our this, it's our blah 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 blah. She's talking, and finished. Nowadays, if you actually look in the media, you get all these Greta Thunberg wannabe kids who want to change the world, save the trees, save the environment, save the climate, save this, save that, save the dogs, save the cats. Left, right, and center, children want to do something. Okay. When I was small, I'm maybe an oldie, old timer. When I was small, children or youngsters or teenagers, we had one job. Our job was to study. Our job was focus on your career. Our job was you have to get the fuck out of the house, pay your bills. That was their job. Our job wasn't change the world, heal the world like Michael Jackson, climate change. It was not all that. Our job was very simple. Your job is to study, get a job, start earning, get the fuck out of the house, pay your bills. That was our job. But today's generation, today's youngsters, their job is change the world, change the climate. So sometimes I have to wonder why the fuck these children, why today's children want to change the world, change the climate? Why? What has suddenly made this? And the answer is social media. The answer is attention. They're busy seeking attention. They want to be noticed. So what is more glamorous? Is it glamorous studying? No, there's nothing glamorous about it. Is there anything glamorous about doing household chores, working a 9-to-5 job, flipping burgers? Because obviously you're not going to get any big time job being a youngster. Working a dead man shift, working as a gas attendant. There's nothing glamorous there. So what is glamorous? Apart from the Instagram, doing all this photographs and showing that, oh, I'm living the life with my friends, eating out. They like to show the photograph of a Starbucks coffee. Or look, my food, here, see the food. Even I've done that. Show the food photo. So apart from that, what is glamorous? Nothing. So the only glamorous is change the world. Change the world. You can't sort out your room. You can't pay your fucking bills. You can't even pay the electricity bill, the water bill. You can't even pay for your own education in school. But on your father's and mother's shoulders, on your father's paycheck, on your mother's efforts, who cooks, cleans, keeps the house in order, helps in earning more money, on their money, you want to change the world. Let me ask you a simple thing. Let's say the mother and father died. They died, just died. So now you don't have a father who will pay your bills. You don't have a mother who will pay your expenses. Are you going to sit and go for this protest, change the world, LGBTQ, oh, equal rights, oh, and all that bullshit? Oh, save the plastic and save the planet from plastic and save the dogs and save the cats? Or would you think, oh fuck, if I don't work today, I don't get paid per hour. If I don't earn for 8-9 hours, I won't have money for food. I won't have money to pay for the rent, to stay for next few days. I won't be able to pay electricity, water bill. I won't be able to pay for transportation. So mother and father were not there. You'd worry about all this. But mother and father are working now. Money, free money is coming in, no? Like they say in Hindi, baap ka paisa hai. Means father's money, no? So yeah, what do you have to worry about? Change the world. Save the plastic. Oh, please, please, I don't want plastic. I want in my bag. Oh, I'll get a Starbucks in my hot chocolate drink mug. Oh, let me put it on Facebook. Let us rally and get followers for this cause. The problem is these people in the West, no, jobless. Totally jobless. And the problem is this sickness is now spreading to the eastern countries. Oh, change the world. Save fossil fuels. Oh, climate change. Oh, the poor dogs. Save the cats in China. Save the dogs in China. All this big blah blah blah. Why? Because father and mother are paying the school fees. Free food is coming on the table. Water, electricity is paid for. There's a free house. Don't have to worry about all these things, right? But if something happens to them, then you're fucked, right? You can't even, these kids. How I know why I'm talking about this is I've been getting these kids who book my services. Oh, I want to change the world. I want to create an organization for justice. I want to bring about authenticity and brings people's true self out. I listen to these young kids. Obviously, they paid me money, so they are clients. But then I realize it's their parents who have paid me. And they're just farting from their ass. Change the world. I want to make this planet green. Oh, I want to stop usage of plastic everywhere. Oh, Black Lives Matter. Oh, fantastic, fantastic. Black Lives Matter. Then I asked them, what about your schooling? Oh, yeah, that's okay. It's boring. What about your grades? Oh, I'm not defined by my grades. Okay. What about your job? Oh, right now my priority and focus is just getting through the degree program. Work, that's secondary. What about money? Oh, that's not a worry. My dad and mama are there. That is why people want to go around changing the world. But if you actually see people who have work to do, have bills to pay, have priorities, have responsibilities, they'll not talk all this shit. Because there's nothing but shit, man. Why you think I'm not going around, hey, change the world, save the planet from plastic, save the dogs, save the cats. I don't have fucking time. I have to pay my fucking bills, man. Your father is going to come and pay my bills if I go for this protest and this and that. And who the fuck cares, man? And most of these politicians, they are fucking using you on your time, your effort, everything on you. They are using you to achieve their goals, their agenda. And after they achieve their agenda, it's a fuck you. And then you get finished, right? Then what do you do? That is something people don't think or use their brains. Politics, why they call it politics? Because it has its own agenda and they play games. So they use you to further their message. But end of the day, they just want the seats of power. Case in point, best example, Joe Biden's administration was talking about climate change, Black Lives Matter, free medical for all and all that, double the pay increase. Please explain to me, what has he succeeded in doing? At least Donald Trump was being honest that he's being selfish, that he wants to focus on money. What did Barack Obama do? Same bullshit, right? oh, we value lives and innocent lives. And how many people has he indirectly killed because of his executive orders? Bomb this place, and how many children, how many women, how many innocent men whose stories we do not know. Today, children, no, their upbringing is totally fucked up because of the parents. As it is, the parents are fucked up, and they end up raising children who are even more fucked up. And then you have the social media that fucks you up even more. So overall, you have a mega fucked up generation. Totally fucked up. They want to be millionaires, billionaires, trillionaires. They are experts in commodities. They are consultants. Oh, Bitcoin. Oh, they talk so big. But then when you actually see their credentials, or you actually see who they are, some fucking 20-year-old talking big, even 30-year-olds talking from their ass. But all shit. How many kids nowadays talk so big, so bravely on social media? But in the real world, big zeros, right? Nothing, right? Today's generation, I don't know, it's so messed up. That's why I keep away from today's youngsters give me a fucking headache. That is why I keep away from them. It's not that everyone, there are some who are level-headed. I talk to some young boys and girls who are actually working and supporting their families. I have nothing but respect for them. The rest, just fucking waste of time. The minute I come to know this person's a piece of shit, I don't even give them, irrespective what age. That is why I'm very selective. That's why maybe I only deal with my clients. Rest everyone, let them fuck off. Not interested. So that is what I want to tell you. I just feel today's generation is completely lost. Just clueless what the fuck they want to do. They want to change the world and heal the world and save the planet from plastics and climate change and global warming and all this shit. But their house is not in order. Their grades are not in place. Their career is nowhere. They don't have any money. They don't have any capacity to earn. But they can talk fucking big on social media. They can talk big, protest and this and that. And that is why it's so saddening when you see these protesters who are young children who die, like Myanmar, the 19-year-old girl got shot dead. She was trying to be brave, got shot dead. This, I think in one country, I think Bolivia, I'm not too sure. These students were protesting in a college campus. It's a very graphic video. The railing, they were on the 3rd floor or something, the railing, it gave way. That means the railing broke. And these kids were leaning on the railing, they just fell off. And I think 5 or 7 died. All young children, age 25, 17 to 25, they died. Why? Protest. Oh, protest. And now you have this Australian. Oh, climate change. You don't even know what the fuck you're talking. You can't make your fucking resume. You can't go get a fucking job. You can't earn to pay your bills, even if your life fucking depended on it, and you want to change the fucking climate? Yeah, Greta Thunberg, all big talk they were doing. All these kids, oh, I'm afraid of the planet, oh, protest, companies should change. Lecturing adults. Where the fuck are they now? Tell me. Now mother and father don't have a job. Their mother and father don't have a job. Who the fuck is going on the streets? When you don't have money to pay your fucking bills, to eat food, to drink water, to pay your electricity, to pay your rent, to pay your car loan, who the fuck wants to make any protest? Fucking idiots. They deserve it. I am actually glad. They fucking deserve it. Suffer properly. Then your head will be on your shoulders. Then you'll work. That's why anyone gives me, oh lawyer, suffer. Yeah, when times are good, you're enjoying. Times are bad. What, I am Jesus Christ? Fuck you. Pay me money for my service. I have mouths to feed, bills to pay, and goals to achieve. Not sitting here to be, oh, Loy, I'm admiring your work. I'm a fan. A fan because I give you value and content, not because you do anything for me. You want my one-to-one attention? You want my time? You want my expertise? Yeah, you pay. You want free content? Watch the YouTube. But if you want a premium service, pay for it. That is the problem in today's generation. Big talk, but where it matters, big zero. That is today's generation. Good at giving you lectures and advice and experts at everything. Google.com. They know everything. What they don't know, I don't know. They know everything. But the only thing they don't know is how to make money, how to earn, how to sustain, how to live life. They only lack that skill. Rest everything they have. What's the use? Where it matters, you're zero. Everything else, you're a hero. Anyway. As long as you have parents who say, oh, my kid is so smart, my kid is so special, Loy, my kid is like amazing. Oh, Albert Einstein would be ashamed. Oh, yeah, that good. Yeah. It's like me looking at my dick and my ball sack. So beautiful, wow. So elegant, wow. So it glows in the dark, wow. Oh, look at it, it's moving, oh. That's the only thing. Look at your private parts and admire them. Oh, so wow. See, it can move. Oh. That's what I feel when someone praises their children. Yeah. Okay, thank you. See the nipple. Oh, see the nipple. So brown. Oh. It gets stiff. See, it gets hard. Anyway. Let me know your thoughts, guys. Let me know your thoughts. This is me signing off. You guys take care.